Hey guys, it's Vanessa Hudgens, your August Icon Box curator. I have my makeup artist Tanya here, and we are going to take this daytime look into something a little more glamorous for the nighttime, darling. And you might get a little sneak peek at some of the products you might get.
I'll start by deepening the crease with a darker matte eyeshadow from Il Maquillage to add some depth. Next, I'm going to carve out the lid with a matte cream eyeshadow using a flat brush so her crease is defined. To elongate Vanessa's eye, I'm using liquid eyeliner, and to soften the edge, I'm using this shimmery bronze eyeshadow. Add a few individual lashes and the eyes are done. Now I'm adding a pop of pink to the cheeks using this dewy cream blush from Iconic London. Then I'm going to top it all off by adding a little glow using this Natasha Denona highlighter. I want to give Vanessa a glossy lip with longevity, so to finish the look, I'm mixing this NARS Air Matte Lip with a little bit of gloss, and that's it.
Glam is giving, darling. I'm gonna go get changed. Make sure you go to the link in the bio to sign up for the Icon Box before it's all sold out. You don't wanna be one of those people.